You want to bring me the bottle of wine? Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Irma, also known as Irma JJ, and today I will be showing you how I do my eyeshadow. This is a beginner's guide, so if you're interested, go ahead and keep on watching. I look crazy, my lips, yes, they look crazy too. Don't mind that. Don't mind any of my face. Grab your glass of wine and drink up. Yeah, mine's a red cup. I couldn't find any cute wine glasses, so just grabbed a red cup. So I'm gonna grab my handy dandy concealer. I'm gonna be using my LA Girl Pro Conceal in high definition. I use the shade Bisque. Yeah, so this is what it looks like. This is literally the best concealer you can get, and it's like $5, maybe even less. And I love it. As you can tell, I am down to the last drop. Got it. Okay, so then I'm also going to be taking my Morphe M508 brush. It looks something like this. Super flat. I use this for inner corner highlight, any highlight that I want super defined. But for this, for the purpose of this video, I'm going to use it to underline my eyebrows. So we're just going to grab some. You don't want too much. If you feel like you got too much, make sure you like wipe it off on the back of your hand. I'm going to be going in with my Pink Beauty brush. I actually got this at a fashion show like 5 years ago. I went with one of my best friends, Kira, and we actually stayed in Sacramento and attended the Sacramento Fashion Week. It was really fun, and we got a goodie bag. We were VIP and everything. It was super fun. I'm using to just blend it out, make sure that there are no harsh lines. Now, you have two options. You can either set it or go in with the eyeshadow. I'm gonna set it just because my eyes crease really bad. So I'm gonna be going in with my Too Faced Born This Way setting powder. It's a little pointed brush. Make sure you set that. Now we're gonna go ahead and do the other eye, and I'll be right back. So I'm going to be going in with Sandalwood from the Rose Gold Edition eyeshadow palette. I'm going to be grabbing my NYX Cosmetics fluffy brush. I don't have the number of it. So we're just going to tap. And we're just going to go into the crease. For both eyes, I should say. Okay, so you want to make sure that you are going from the outer corner right here, right where your eyelashes end, to right here into your inner duct. And just do swiping motions. You want to do that to both sides. Next, I'm going to be using my Morphe Trio palette. This is a 3B. Gonna be using Kinda Natural. It's kind of like sandalwood. It's just a little bit darker, and I really like that. So this is how we're gonna do it. We're gonna go from the outer corner, and we're only gonna go halfway. So we're only going to buff it out in the outer corner, and you'll see that this gives it really good definition. So when buffing it out, you want to do little circular motions. Okay, next is still using the Huda Beauty Rose Gold Edition palette. Gonna be going in with henna. That's gonna go in the middle. I'm gonna be using my Morphe M518 brush. It's a fluffy brush kind of, and we're just gonna dab it right here. Now, with this, without adding any more product, you're going to want to bring that down in here. All right, next, with the same brush, you're going to go ahead and go into Cocoa. That's this really nice chocolatey brown. In the Huda palette, you just want to tap Tap kind of like you're doing the winged liner. Grabbing a fluffy brush with no product, you're going to want to blend all those colors together. So you're just going to blend so that there are no harsh lines. What I personally like to do is bring it to my brow bone. This is an art, guys. Don't go harsh. If you go harsh, you're going to have harsh lines and it's not going to look good. So grabbing a tapered brush, I'll be going with All Natural in the Morphe palette. Last but not least, to darken things up a little bit, we're going to be going in with Cocoa from the Huda Beauty palette. Same brush, we're just going to go ahead and darken that waterline a little bit. Make sure you're kind of making a wing as you connect the waterline and the upper line. Brush, you're just going to blend it all. I'm going to be going in with Just a Kiss, which is this one right here. We're going to be putting it in the corner, in the inner corner, as inner corner highlight. Gonna go ahead and finish this, apply my lashes, and I will be right back. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below what you would like to see next, and I will see you in my next video.